Virtual Merchant is an easy-to-use hosted secure payment processing solution that is ideal for face-to-face, mail order, telephone order, and e-commerce environments. Users access the software and process payments through an easy-to-use browser interface. The dynamic user interface allows users to only view and access accounts and information for which they have been granted access. All payment types can be processed through Virtual Merchant, including credit, PEN, debit, electronic benefits transfer, gift cards, and checks. Transaction types are dynamically displayed for the selected payment type according to user access rights. Face-to-face or card-present transactions are processed by swiping a card through a card-reading device connected to your computer. All of the latest fraud and chargeback protection measures are built into Virtual Merchant. User-defined fields, such as order number or patient ID, can also be added. Plus, color coding and other field customization abilities ensure an even more dynamic, user-friendly solution. Processing a transaction is quick and easy, usually just taking 2 to 3 seconds. Transaction receipts can be customized and formatted to print on a variety of printer types. They can even be emailed to customers. Mail and telephone order transactions are easily processed through Virtual Merchant. The fully customizable payment page includes the latest fraud and chargeback tools, such as address verification and card validation. Virtual Merchant offers the ability to easily manage your recurring and installment payment transactions. Simply enter the payment parameters and let Virtual Merchant do all the work. Virtual Merchant's multi-entry function is ideal for a mail order business where multiple credit cards need to be processed at one time. With the addition of a PIN pad, Virtual Merchant can also process PIN-based card transactions, such as ATM debit cards and electronic benefits transfer transactions. Gift cards can be activated, redeemed, and reloaded as easily as processing a credit card. Daily settlement of transactions is fast and efficient. You can set Virtual Merchant to auto-settle or choose to review batches prior to settlement. The error batch is for multi-entry, recurring, and installment transactions that were not successfully authorized. These transactions need to be individually reviewed and corrected prior to settlement. The auth-only batch contains transactions that were processed as authorization only at the time of sale. Typically, this is only used in a delayed delivery environment. The recurring batch contains all recurring and installment transactions that are due to be charged based on individual billing profiles. This batch should be reviewed, and all valid recurring and installment transactions should be selected. The main batch contains all successfully authorized transactions since your last settlement. Transactions should be reviewed to ensure they are correct prior to being submitted for settlement. Completed batches are stored by settlement date and can be reviewed for up to 1 year. Detailed transaction information is contained within each batch. Detailed batch information can be downloaded, reports can be generated, and you can even search for individual transactions based on an array of criteria. Transaction information can easily be formatted into a comma or tab delimited file and exported for use in other applications. With 3 different pre-formatted reporting options and the ability to either view or export report information, Managing your payments is simple. Retrieving individual transaction information is simple through the Transaction Search feature. The Administration feature allows you to easily add and manage users and customize Virtual Merchant to best meet your payment processing needs. Virtual Merchant, the easy-to-use, secure, hosted payment solution tailored to meet your processing needs now and in the future.